in the digital platform. So clearly digital skills are needed for the marketers and managers. We can say that the effective ways of digital marketing in order to achieve success, one's supposed to move in the following manner. What are these? Basically, we have to first plan. Plan means create a structured plan and roadmap by reviewing your current weaknesses and opportunities to boost online leads and sales. Then we have to go for the manage. Manage means review your marketing activities so that you know where to focus to get a quick wins and which will make the biggest difference. Then optimized. Optimize means we have to learn the best practices and success factor to help you complete to get better results. So it is no aggregation that you live in the digital world, and from the perspective, it is imperative that your businesses has an impressive presence in the digital space. So, in essence, digital marketing is the future of marketing in the world, with the added advantages that is cheaper than traditional marketing and is measurable. So let's we have to just plan in different way where you can find out the digital medium to popularize and drive conversion for any startup or businesses. So many peoples are going on for the startup also. They are starting their own company and running the digital activities, digital platform activities. So when we are talking about, I have covered some points here that if we understand that data privacy is you can say that it is very important because the data privacy is here to stay. Means you can say that it is clear customers are well aware of their rights when it comes to proper data collection and uses. So you can say that it is also clear that the arrival of GDPR, it means the Journal Data Protection Regulation in Europe in May 2018, as well as other data privacy acts being implemented and you can say overhauled around the world, are just the beginning of the further consumer data crackdown. So in fact, in its recent report, you can say that the ACCC flagged change to Privacy Act, which could end up looking like a local GDPR. So as a result, Australian businesses are also going to have to get a lot more agile and transparent in the way they collected, store, and use customer data. So even if the data is used for the consumer benefit, a privacy breach will see consumers move elsewhere. If we talk about the Facebook and Cambridge Analytical demonstrated this year a company is only one data breach away from disaster, and no company, no matter how big, can afford this in a consumer driven environment. So what exactly things are going on? Basically all these things will based on the data, and data means which is collected from the consumers. So if we talk about that, the things are going on the basis of the customer requirement. Next is the customer capital is the new currency. What is the meaning of this? See, marketers have known for a while now that the customer must be central to every decision made within a business. So we can say that it means that the brands have been working for the customers. So in 2019, industry pundits expect to see the customer working for the brands as well as digital social capital is a way for a brand to understand the value of its online social network. We can say that just as a greater amounts of economical capital can lead to more opportunities, higher amount of social capital can lead to a more significant impact on a brand audience. So inclusive creative and design is also a part of the digital marketing, you can say that basically it is suddenly increasing, or you can say the rising concern around inequality, unconscious bias, and stereotyping in society, and you can say that persuasion of all three via marketing and creative has never been more apparent. So, with the result, or you can say that inclusive design is the resulting trend, and an essential step to ensuring creative in design without insidious bias against a group of customers. Next is the rise of voice. See, rise of voice means, because you can understand that if you feel in today there are so many devices which are running on digital platform, or you can say they are working as an intelligent devices. अगर हम बात करें कि अगर if you talk about the Amazon Echo, your Amazon Alexa, all these digital or smart speakers are increasing, and it is basically the showing by the recent report that local adoption of voice activated devices and smart speakers like Google Home and Amazon Alexa is you can say that suddenly increasing in the US and UK. In fact, 4 million local consumers are predicted to use their smart speakers for shopping in 2019. So this is according to the Versa The Voice Report 2019. So brands not incorporating voice into their digital strategies, and it will find themselves behind the pack in 2019. In light of launches such as Google Home and Amazon Echo, which continue to grow over the festive season, so we should understand that it's a matter of time, because before voice will disrupt the digital marketing ecosystem as we know it, we have to just uh, increase the requirement of the systems. So with the voice search on the I expect that in 2019 we'll see brands build this is into their media mix and address voice as a part of their user experience. So, and for those the e-commerce, especially with Amazon entering the market, it is expected that the voice entering or ordering will push brands to focus on owning the consumers or customers in their homes. So, because all these things will also increasing in the market, and peoples are buying all these devices, and they want to keep these devices in their home. So this is also, you can say, it is the trend where the rise of voice is increasing. Next is marketing teams shift from the specialism to consumerism. See, from content to creative to customer experience, care services, and data analysis, the role of the CMO has undergone significant change in the last 5 years. The modern CMO understands the fundamental goal of marketing is to establish and grow authentic connections with your respective audiences. We can say that the data is the critical first step to understand your audience, and this has already given rise to the data literate marketer. So therefore, the last is creative content is king. See, the customer is demanding more, you can say, bespoke content when they want it, and on the channel of their choice. You can say gonna are the days that when the same content could be served across multiple channels without thought. So we live in a world of user generated content. There are or more video content that ever before, and now you will feel that in advertisement also which are running on the televisions or some media platforms, you will find out that these contents are more or less related to the consumer requirements. So consumer attention has to be, you can say, fought for the brands that use video and encourages engagement their audiences. will always win. And with this in mind, it is expected that to see higher emergence of short-term video. So video is, you can say that it's a powerful medium that works. As I already discussed in previous presentations, that video will create an impact. So it is, you can say that it is also working, because whatever things are companion, or you can say that any advertisement which is running on the video platform will create an impact to the society, or among the users or consumers, where the consumers get the information about their product or their interest. So the company is also understanding that what are the interest of the customer. According to this, the companies are creating the creative contents. So therefore, HubSpot reporting adding videos to an email can boost click-throughs by 200 to 300% and increase conversion rate by 80%. So if we talk about the trends in digital marketing in Indian context, because in India we are also increasing the digital marketings, and many peoples are connected or using digital platforms rather than they are going for the traditional marketing concepts. So companies and users are both are comfortable with the डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. तो अगर हम देखें कि जो पहले सिस्टम थे कि मीन्स थ्रू योर न्यूज़पेपर और आर्टिकल्स, और यू कैन से मैगजीन्स, और you can say the pamphlet or something like that, means they are using they were using very, you can say that the sophisticated media, where the people, now if you see that the e-newspaper is also there, right, where the people will be comfortable to go through the e-newspaper, and they can get the information or news, latest news, through the digital channels. So there are so many platforms, or you can say that there are so many media which are running the news activities, and they are giving the information about the you can say the running conditions. So digital marketing is a part of the digital economy. We can say that India is a fast moving nation towards digital economy, and this movement has been accelerated with the demonetization of the Indian currency in the last quarter of the year 2016. तो अगर हम बात करें, जब ये डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ था तो उसके बाद बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से और कंपनीज की तरफ से इंक्रीज हुई, राइट. सो विद इट वेरियस गवर्नमेंट डिजिटल पेमेंट प्रमोशन स्कीम्स हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड, जिसमें पेटीएम को ज़्यादा प्रमोट हुआ. अब नाउ दिस टाइम यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट मैनी पीपल्स आर यूजिंग पेटीएम डिवाइसेस इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द करेंसी इन मतलब कैश. You will find out the peoples will be very comfortable to use the Paytm. They are using Google Pay. They are using online transfer money. So these or other payment methods. See, because the peoples are also comfortable, and government is also promoting the payment options. So therefore, it is also increasing and running on the digital market. So digital market require digital promotions and market strategies. You can say the telecom sector is also playing an important role in the digitalization movement. वो कैसे है? क्योंकि टेलीकॉम सेक्टर की अगर हम बात करें तो उसने बहुत सारी स्कीम्स लॉन्च की हैं. यू कैन से दैट रिसेंटली a launch of Reliance Telecom Jio with the free and unlimited internet facility has played a revolutionary role, जहाँ पर कि mobile calls, you can say that data usages are costly affair in this area, or you can say in this time, in this time, that the you can say that this Reliance is running a free services in the telecom sector. So the other prominent companies like Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, and BSNL are also offering attractive internet plans because they have to run the competitive environment and they have to see that how they can compete the other. So Indian banks are also providing more customer friendly and secure money transaction services. Now Indian customers is spending more time on social media and internet surfing. So thus the visibility of any product is more through digital medium and the traditional marketing techniques. So digital marketing techniques includes, you can say that it is a content marketing, marketing automation, AdWords, SEO, social media, email marketing, and website design. So the key players and infrastructure providers in digitization of an economy are government, banking system, shopping portal in India, internet service providers, and software service providers. So we have to understand this theory which is going on, that how the things are increasing in India, that the trends in digital marketing is increasing. So there are different ways you can use the digital medium to popularize the drive conservations for any you can say your startup or businesses. So if we talk about the emerging trends in digital marketing in India, the first is the search engine optimization. So, as a layman terms, or in a layman terms, search engine optimization or SEO is essentially tweaking your website so that it comes up naturally or organically for search result in Google, Yahoo, Bing, or any other search engine. So Google updates its algorithm regularly so that only the relevant results come up. From that perspective, many experts say that SEO is dead and the effort is futile. Because as I told you that search engine optimization is basically working on the basis of your organic or natural search. So basically it will move your page on the top, so that this is you can say that playing a very important role in the search engine. Next is the search engine marketing. See, search engine marketing or SEM is the comprehensive strategy to drive traffic to your business primarily through paid efforts. As I told you, because this is a paid service, so hence it is also called paid search marketing. So the universe of SEM is diverse and complicated. So based on your business structure, you may choose PPC, it means pay per click, or CPC. CPC मतलब होता है cost per click model, or CPM, cost per thousand impression model. So there are different platforms for SEM. By far, Google AdWord on Google Network and Bing Ads on Yahoo Bing networks are most popular. So Google AdWords and you can say Bing Ads are doing these exercise in the SEM. Next is the content creation. As I told you that content is king. So content can be presented in different formats, including blogs, white papers, ebooks, case studies, how to guides, question and answer articles, forums, news and updates, images, banners, infographic, podcasts, webinars, videos, or content for micro blogging and social media sites. So all recent changes to Google algorithm, be it Panda, and you can say that it is the point to the fact that the content is the most important metric by filtering search results. So next we will talk about the social media marketing, SMM. See, SMM is an offshoot of your SEM effort. It involves driving traffic to your sites or business through social sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Google Plus, LinkedIn, etc. And as we mentioned that good content is shared and liked. अगर content आपका अच्छा है, तो वो उस कंटेंट के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक होगा, लोग उसे पसंद करेंगे एंड दे विल ट्राई टू सी मैनी टाइम दैट कंटेंट. Is to increase the branding of their product and to increase their sales. So SMM is doing this exercise on behalf of the any company. Next is the digital display advertisement. As you see that अगर हम इसको watch करें, if we talk about, you will find out on the roadside also there are so many digital display where the things are going on. So these things are also increasing. You will find out in some petrol pumps. आप देखते होंगे जैसे कई पेट्रोल पंप में आपके कई डिजिटल डिस्प्ले लगे होते हैं. अगर आप मॉल्स में जाएं तो वहाँ पर भी आपको डिस्प्ले मिल जाएंगे, डिजिटल डिस्प्लेस लाइक एलईडी टीवी और एनी other type of display where you will see that the things or the contents are running, or you will see that the advertisements are going on of the companies, and people are watching all these contents very carefully, you can say that, or many times, means 2 to 3 times in a day. So therefore these you can say that it is again a subset of your SEM effort. So you may use a variety of display advertisement format to target potential audience, be it text, image, banner, rich media, interactive or video ads. तो आप इसमें कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, मतलब उसको आप चाहते हैं कि अगर कुछ टेक्स्ट लाइंस की फॉर्म में आप रन करना चाहते हैं अपने कंपेनियन को या एडवर्टाइजमेंट को, तो उससे भी कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज़ द ग्राफिक्स ऑल्सो, इमेजेस ऑल्सो, राइट, और सम बैनर्स and some interactive or video ads also, means because video ad will create an impact always and give you the information much as compared to the other advertisement techniques. So therefore you can say that it can be customized your message based on interest, content, topics or the position of the customers in the buying cycles. Next, or it is the last, that retargeting and remarketing. What is the meaning of this? What is that we have to understand that what is retargeting? See, essentially, you can say that retargeting or remarketing is a strategy to target customers who have already visited your website. It is based on cookies technology. Cookies technology का यहाँ पे यूज होता है, जिससे कि वो क्या करते हैं कि जिन लोगों ने आपकी वेबसाइट को व्यू किया है, यू विल रन योर एडवर्टाइजमेंट, राइट, continuously in their viewing, you can say that platform. So retargeting has emerged as a preferred strategy as you target customers who have already shown interest in your business and hence the conversion rate is high. तो आप ये फील भी करते होंगे कि सपोज इफ यू व्यू एनीथिंग ऑन योर वेबसाइट और यू कैन से ऑन द गूगल, you will see that because all the platforms are interconnected, so that you will find out on your Facebook page such type of advertisement will be there, right? On your email you will find out the messages also. So if suppose let me take one example. If you registered for any service on your email or on any platform, so वो क्या करते हैं कि सबसे पहले वो आपकी कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन लेते हैं जिससे कि आपकी रजिस्टर्ड जो भी डाटा है वो उनके पास पहुंच जाता है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल वो आपका मतलब नेम ले लेंगे, आपकी जो प्रोफेशन है उसको कैच कर लेंगे, दे विल टेक योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर ऑल्सो, और इफ़ नॉट कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दे विल टेक योर ईमेल एड्रेस, राइट. अगर वंस दे गॉट देयर योर ईमेल एड्रेस, they can run their advertisement on your different platform, which like your Instagram, your Facebook page, your other advertisement, where you will find out the similar kind of things. Or you will there will be a lots of email, they will give you some offers also, that you should go for this service, you should go for this product. Yes, we are providing such type of new thing in our product, or new features in advertisement, discount coupons etc. तो ये इस तरह की चीज़ें सारी जो हैं वो इस तरीके की चलती हैं, जिससे कि दे आर रीटारगेटिंग एंड रीमार्केटिंग, means they are catching their customers. Okay, it is like a just traditional marketing. For example, suppose if you अगर आप सपोज कीजिए, let me take very simple example. Suppose if you want to buy a shirt, right? तो जो पहले ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम था उसमें आप क्या करते थे कि आप एक शॉप पे जाते थे और अपनी जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो आपका चॉइस है, उसको आप बताएंगे शॉपकीपर को कि यस आई वांट टू बाय वन शर्ट हैविंग दिस साइज और दिस टाइप ऑफ कलर्स और दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टफ, राइट? और समवेयर समटाइम्स द शॉपकीपर में आस्क सर प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज योर बजट. सो यू विल टॉक अबाउट योर बजट ऑल्सो, तो वो आपके बजट के बारे में भी जानकारी ले लेंगे, ठीक है? उसके बाद वो, if you see the intelligence of the shopkeeper, you will find out वो आपको बगैर अपने प्रोडक्ट को सेल किए हुए जाने नहीं देगा. Now this is the basically the aim of any shopkeeper. वो आपको नई नई चीज़ें दिखाएगा, नए प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाएगा, आपको पुराने प्रोडक्ट्स भी दिखाएगा अपने, और वो इम्प्रेस करेगा कि यस वी विल गिव यू दिस डिस्काउंट. अच्छा साहब, आपके लिए हम 10% इसमें ऑफर भी दे देते हैं, डिस्काउंट भी देते हैं. So all these things are going on earlier days. The similar kind of things are running on the digital platform also. Because अगर हम बात करें कि भाई डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्या होता है, हमने कोई एक प्रोडक्ट को सर्च किया और उस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च करने के बाद हम मान लीजिए वहाँ से क्विट हो गए, किसी भी रीज़न से हम वहाँ से एक बार क्विट हो गए, तो व्हाट हैपनिंग, you will get lots of offers, lots of advertisement on your digital platform. So next is the mobile marketing. This we have already discussed in previous lectures. What is mobile marketing? The website, apps and content is being customized for mobile devices. Because जितने भी applications हैं, contents हैं और जो websites हैं, उनको अलग तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया जाता है so that you can view on your mobile smartphone, right? Because अगर सिमिलर टाइप की वेबसाइट को हम उस पर रन करेंगे तो वो उस पर रन नहीं कर सकती है. तो बेसिकली द मोबाइल वेबसाइट्स आर डिफरेंट, राइट? सो द मोबाइल यूजर्स आर ग्रोइंग डे बाय डे, यू कैन से दैट, एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव वे ऑफ मार्केटिंग. क्योंकि every time, because you can say now this time you can say that 80 to 90% people are using the smartphones. So once they are using the smartphone, you can also feel, आप भी feel करते होंगे when, because you are using your WhatsApp, you are using your email, you can use your Facebook page or other apps on your smartphone. So you will get the advertisement which are running on your devices. So many times you will get the offers from the company side, so you can say it is the effective way of marketing. Next is the interactive marketing. Interactive marketing का मतलब ये है कि if you are sure your advertising strategy engages the potential customers in the conversation. So according to the survey by exporttv.com, 55% respondents prefer to have ongoing communications with the companies they buy from, and 89% felt more loyal to the companies if they were invited to provide feedback. So because this is basically what happening, that not only this is a one side, you can say this is on the other side also you can go for the interactive marketing, right? So interactive means it is clear that you should understand that how the customers, potential customers are going on the conversations, and this is the advertisement strategy, so that the many peoples can be engaged by the company. Next is the viral marketing. Viral marketing is a strategy where a unique content spreads exponentially online because the content is appreciated, shared and liked immensely. आप ये देखते भी होंगे, suppose if you are getting any advertisement on your WhatsApp and if it is the content is good, you will not take any time to share your this content to others, right? Or if it is beneficial for the others, you will definitely share to the others. This time also because अगर आप देखें, because since we are running, we are facing this problem of COVID 2019 COVID-19, and if we are getting any message from the government sources or any information, we will share this information to our family group, or you can say in our friends group, so that they should also be benefited, or they should also be safe. So this is basically, you can see, the viral marketing. Same thing is going on with the marketing in the industry. So this is a great way to brand and drive traffic to your website. The content can take any format. All you need is to be creative. आप कितना उसको अच्छा बना सकते हैं, किस तरीके से आप जनरेट कर सकते हैं, how your content is interactive, and so that the traffic on your website should be increased. Then next is the email marketing. Email marketing भी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं पहले. So when you send a commercial message through email to a list of potential customers, the strategy is called email marketing. So with an effective email marketing software, you can maintain email lists that are segregated based on several factors, including customers, likes and dislikes, and spending habits. So remember to send personalized email. This helps to develop trust. इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि ये सपोज करिए, इफ़ यू वांट टू सेंड मास ईमेल, तो उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे, इफ़ यू हैव ईमेल आईडी ऑफ द पीपल्स, सो यू कैन से दैट यू शुड गो फॉर द BCC मोड, राइट? इन द BCC मोड व्हेन यू सेंड, you can save the other mail IDs, and the other people who are getting the mail, they will not see your mail ID. It means your trust will also increase, and because these things will also help for the industry, that you are getting a individual mail from the company. In fact, it is not happening. Company is sending a mass mail to the others. Next is the digital media planning and buying. अगर हम डिजिटल मीडिया की बात करें तो उसकी जो रिसर्च है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द मीडिया एजेंसी researches and makes a comprehensive strategy framework, we call it digital media planning. It is in driving sales for conversions, launching a new brand or promoting an established brand, or changing customer behavior. The media agency plans different platforms and formats to reach the desired audiences. Now it studies reach and frequency of different web-based and mobile applications. So the agency works with different partners and buy relevant space and ideas. This is called a media buying. In essence, media buying and planning, you can say, is important for all the strategies that we have discussed in the above type of marketing. So अगर हम बात करें कि digital media planning की, so this we have to prepare our strategies such that it should increase, you can say that the many customers conversion rates, right? So you can increase your sale also, means your buying capacity, the people buying capacity will also increase because they will motivated to purchase your product, right? So accordingly they will see your website and traffic will also increase. So this is because you can say that the frequency of the advertisement which is going on the web based and mobile applications. So these are the trends in the digital marketing in the global form and in the Indian context. I think you will be enjoyed in this. You enjoyed in these slides, and you must see the what type of trends, some applications which are going on practically as a case study in the futures. Thank you very much.